In this tutorial, we're going to start working with the solid models or 3D modeling after we finish talking about the important tools in the sketch entities. So before working with feature, it's better to have a good knowledge in the sketch entities and feature. So the basic to make a good solid modeling starts from making good sketches. So let's now start working with the features or solid features. So basically they are for creating the 3D models. So we have the extrude, revolve, sweep, loft, and so on. We're going to deal with all these features in the tutorials. So first feature is the extrude boss. So let's start making a sketch. As we know, let's make circle, rectangle, and let's make slot. We have three different profiles. Let's exit the sketch, or without exiting the sketch, you're still able to work with the extrude. So here is the extrude is activated. So now let's select extrude feature, and now you notice you are extruding your part. All the drawn sketches, and you see this arrow. This is a quick extruding option. When you select that arrow, you are able to expand it or change its direction downward. So it's kind of quick way to create extrusion. And sometimes you need to make some quick solid models without having exact dimension. So that is a quick way to make it. And now let's move to the left menu. Here you have the type of the extrude. Blend is just you can move it the way you want, and here you have other options. You have up to vertex. For example, if you have another body in front or other edges, you can select the vertex, and if you have a surface in front, you can also select that surface, and up to body. But in this case, we have the mid plane. You can start working with it. So if you pick mid plane, so you notice you have your extruded is in a mid plane. So if you select the mid plane, you notice the second direction is not activated because it is extruding in two directions equally. So let's make blend extrusion, and here you have the distance you wanted. So if you type 70, you have 70, the exact value you want, 80 or 50 as you want. And if you want to change the direction, you have the flip or this icon reverse direction. So you have on the other direction. So let's make it back there, and here you have the draft on or off. So when you are making extrusion, this first make okay, let you see how the extrusion looks like. Now you have this extrusion parts, and you can edit the existing extrusion. You can click on it, and here edit feature, so you are able to edit that feature again. So here you have the draft. You can apply some draft, so you can make the angle to be a little bit there, 10 degree, so you understand this angular extruded part. So this is the idea of draft. And here if you select the draft outward, so you are drafting outward. Now let's continue to direction 2. You are able to make a second direction for extrusion, the same way with the same options if you want to have a draft or not. So here we can make it 20, not necessary to be equal, and the draft you can make it 0 or deactivate it again. So now you have extrusion in two directions. Okay, so this is how it looks. So let's back again, continue talking about extrusion. Let's edit feature, and now here you have the selected contours. That means you are able to select some of the sketching to be extruded, not all the sketch. For example, we have sketch containing many profiles, but we want to extrude some of them. So let's select what we want to extrude. So it should be closed profile, and let's extrude both of these, and we have the options we already talked about. When you are done, click OK.